Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Coinbase to import transactions for taxes step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Coinbase website. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the page. Click on your profile picture to access the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings section, find and click on the Reports tab. Look for the Download section within the Reports tab. You will see options to generate various types of reports. Select the option for Transaction History. Specify the date range for the transactions you want to download. Choose the file format you prefer, such as CSV or Excel. Click on the Download button to start the download. Wait for the file to be generated, which may take a few moments. Once the file is ready, it will automatically download to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Open the file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review your transaction history to ensure all data is present. Now you can use this information for your tax preparation. If you have additional transactions from other wallets, repeat the download process as needed. Keep your transaction records organized for easy access during tax season. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.